All right, most Israelis are in a state of shock today following the killing of a clinic nurse in a central city yesterday. Much of the healthcare sector and other associations were closed for several hours to protest against violence towards staff members. ILTV's Moishi Kurler has more on the story.
There were no disruptions in emergency or life-saving services, but all healthcare providers went on strike between 8 and 10 a.m. Social workers stopped working from 10 to 12, as did the country's high school teachers because of similar acts of violence against educators. Nurse Tova Carraro died yesterday at the HMO where she worked after being doused in a flammable fluid and set on fire. Workers at several hospitals held a moment of silence in Carraro's memory. Her 78-year-old alleged assailant has been apprehended. He is said to be a mentally ill Holocaust survivor who was unhappy with the treatment he had received earlier. The head of the National Medical Association says the nurse's death is an outgrowth of the verbal abuse or physical violence that personnel face on a daily basis. The head of the nurses' union agrees, saying that years of warnings have been disregarded and that offenders must be given substantial punishments to deter such behavior. The Knesset held an emergency session on the issue first thing this morning in an effort to form a plan to combat such acts of violence in the future.